Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So from the name itself, you already know like we are creating this blog just to give you guys a basic idea what all steps we need to follow before going to India from Europe. So yeah, today we have booked a PCR test on 10:40. So yeah, we are leaving for our PCR test, and yeah, as per their logic, we should get the PCR test result by night. So stay tuned. Once we are there for the PCR test, we will be connected. Bye.
Hi guys, so yeah, this is the one where we have decided to take the PCR test, and the someone is already inside being tested. We are standing, we are waiting outside. I'm very scared. I'm very scared. I don't know what to do. I'm really scared.
This is the
But
first
yeah,
time you are doing, right?
yeah, of course, it's the first time we are doing just to go home. And so we have done our test. The person was so friendly, and he was so he was supporting, motivating throughout, and the test was also very good. I was like extremely scared, but it was not that as scary as I was. Yeah, the nose one was the nose swab was a little irritating, but it was not scary or not painful at all. And now we are awaiting for the reports, and we are going back home.
Home, yeah.
So we'll
Once
meet you
the result
once
is-
yeah.
Once the result, we got the result, we will meet you.
Bye bye.
If you want to check for any documents, like what all procedures you have to go through before booking the flights, or else like after booking the flights, you can check this page. Like we are traveling by KLM, so we are going through klm.traveldoc.aero. Like if you are traveling via Air France, then for Air France also there will be a page like same like airfrance.traveldoc.aero. So here you have to put your all the information of the flight, where you want to go and from where you want to return, and what is your departure date and what is your return date, and yeah, what is your nationality, and everything you have to put here. Then the documents, like what all documents you require, so that will be shown by this page. So once you put all the information on that page, then yeah, you will get to know about all the documents you required for this travel and what all steps you have to go through. All this information will be here. Tourist purpose, they are not allowing it now. Like if you have a residential permit, then they are allowing it. So once you put the information on the previous page, what I already shown you, then after that there will be a page where they will ask you like you are traveling with residential permit or some other document. You have to select there the residential permit. Then you will come to this page and you will have all this information. So yeah, you can go through it, and then from here if you see, you have to register to the Indian Embassy with this link, and yeah and then you have to do the you have to submit a health declaration form on this page. If you see, this is for the COVID-19 exemption. This one, they are only providing you the exemption if you have any death in the family. So for that you need the death certificate. Or once you do the PCR test, from here you can see this part is the one. So before 72 hours you have to do the PCR test, and after that you have to upload your PCR test to this link. Then you will get the health declaration form, and that form you can take it as a hard copy as well as a soft copy also, but I will prefer to take it as a hard copy, because when you will try to enter, that time they will ask you about this document.
तो कल जैसे आप लोग ने देखा था कि हम लोग ने कोविड टेस्ट किया, एंड द रिपोर्ट्स आर ऑफ कोर्स नेगेटिव. तो हम लोग ने पैकिंग कर लिया है और अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं घर. सो सब इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड ऑल आर लाइक अंडर द पैकिंग. वो एक और बैग है. सो लाइक टोटल वी हैव लाइक 4 लगेज. घर बहुत ही गंदा पड़ा हुआ है. सो वी आर रेडी एंड इट इज 6:30 in the morning and our flight is at 11:55. So we will be taking a train from Eindhoven station to Amsterdam Central. Till Amsterdam Schiphol. And then we will meet you guys, and till then stay tuned and bye bye. our train has arrived, and this will take us directly to the Amsterdam airport, that is the Schiphol airport. And yeah, it's a journey of 1 hour 20 minutes. We sat on the train, and it's gonna take 1 hour 20 minutes to reach the Amsterdam Schiphol airport. And yeah, so stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And
Bye.
I'll show you the train. Like the second class compartment of a Netherlands intercity train, and you can see it's totally empty, and it is so comfortable. You also have a first class, but yeah, there is not major difference between first class and second class. It's like all the same, and it's so comfortable to travel in train. So this is Eindhoven Central Station, and we are heading towards Amsterdam Schiphol. Hey guys, we are here now, ready for checking, and there were a lot of procedures, and finally we are going to board the flight for Bombay, and we are waiting at the gate, and waiting in another 15 minutes. I think we will be like boarding the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, and boarding will start in the next few minutes.
Yes, so the boarding will start in the next
Passengers
few
in
minutes.
business class and sky priority.
We have boarded in the flight, and now we are heading towards Bombay. So see you at the Bombay airport. Till then, bye bye. मैं थोड़ा सो गई थी, मे बी लाइक 15-20 मिनट्स तक आई स्लेप्ट, और अभी उन लोग ने खाना दिया है. सो दिस इज द फूड विदाउट चॉइस एंड समथिंग टू ड्रिंक फॉर योर मील. This is pasta. It has two types of pasta. One is with green mix, one is with some tomato sauce and some veggies. I don't know what is this. This is, I'm sure, dessert. This is a drink, and sort of is eating. Cheers, Vipshi. तो हम लोग अभी पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. टाइम टू डेस्टिनेशन इज़ 1 आवर, और उसके बाद हम लोग मुंबई लैंड करेंगे. अभी हम लोग को स्नैक्स मिला है, तो अभी हम लोग थोड़ा स्नैक्स खाते हैं. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है मुंबई एयरपोर्ट में उतरने से. फिर से कोविड टेस्ट होने वाला है. I'm extremely sorry that I couldn't shoot a single footage after the arrival in the Mumbai airport, and the reason being that the process was long. We had to first show the health declaration form right after getting out from the flight, and the second step which has to be done was the RT-PCR test. So people traveling from Europe, Middle East, Brazil, South Africa and London has to compulsorily undergo RT-PCR test on their first spot of arrival in Mumbai. India. So it can either be Mumbai or it can be Delhi. And after the RT-PCR test, you get a receipt with a stamp that you have done the test. And after the test, only people traveling from Middle East and Europe are allowed to take the transit flight to their next destination. But for the people who are traveling from Brazil, South Africa and London, UK, has to wait minimum for 8 hours before they could take their next flight. Rather, they have to wait for their report, whether it's positive or negative. Also, if the test is positive, it is compulsory that you undergo institutional quarantine for 7 days, and then after the 7th day you are again tested. But for us, as we were traveling from Europe, we just had to take the receipt. We have to take a clearance certificate from the BMC, and the entire process took us somewhat 4 hours. It was so tedious. We were standing in the line continuously, and therefore we were not in mood to shoot anything, and that is the reason we couldn't shoot any footage. But yeah, it is the traveling in new normal, and these are the process that has to be completed. So for the people who has their last destination as Mumbai, they also have to undergo the RT-PCR test, and then they are allowed to leave the airport. So once you take the test, they will be sending you a message in your registered mobile number as well as in your email ID, and you can track your report from there. And yeah, luckily my reports were negative. I received my reports approximately after 7 hours, and by that time I was already in Kolkata, and the report was negative. So yeah, finally we could reach Kolkata safely. And this new normal is of course tedious, it is difficult, but still coming home is of course a bliss to me. In case if you have any confusion, any doubt, for the people who are staying in Europe especially, can definitely ping me or comment below and I will definitely reply. So stay tuned guys, have a
Bye. We'll see you in the next video.
yeah, so we will see you in the next video. Do like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and stay safe, stay healthy.